Dude Perfect are from Texas, so happy to see they're still alive and kicking. But today we're checking out their newest upload, which is airplane trick shots. Now, if you guys don't know, your boy Beasty has many hidden talents, and one of them is that I happen to be the world's greatest airplane trick shotist. That didn't go according to plan. Hold up. I am one of the greatest airplane trick shotist. There we go. I made this airplane, and if you don't know, I got into college. I got a full scholarship for making airplanes. It was so geometrically perfect. The lines were so sharp, they gave me one. Okay, you know what? That's a lie. But today, we're checking out the airplane trick shots video by Dude Perfect. Sorry for the cringy intro. Let's go. Now, like I always say, I would love for them to do something with a shotgun, a gun, like maybe throw the planes and then blast it out of the air. And maybe putting like when I was young, I'd put tacks at the end of these little foam planes, and I would throw them at my balloons I would set up. But who knows? If they do one of those things, I'll be happy, or something like that.
Triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Coach.
Triple hoop.
It looks good.
Hoop-de-doo. What was that? What? Triple loop hoop-de-doo. Elbow boy Cody elbows. Oh, never mind, chest. Good thing you got those rock hard abs.
Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go.
I get so jealous of them. They look like they have so much fun. Imagine being a grown adult doing all of this. Oh, yo, those look like hurdles.
It's a limbo lander.
Limbo lander. Nice. Admittedly, it's not that hard to do a trick like that, but still, that's pretty cool. Nice. Those, I swear to God, those remind me of the hurdles from high school when I would do track and field. I tried to jump over one, landed on my face. Probably broke my beautiful face as well. What's that, I'm ugly? I know.
And land.
Nice. He's off. I hated those, by the way. Those foam planes, they're so
Pilot
cheap.
Ty coming at you from the top level of DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane.
My boy, you just stole my idea. No, I'm joking.
And because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster.
Show you here we go. Blind balloon buster. Woo, nice. Admittedly, I didn't do trick shots like this, but you know, I was like 7 when I did that. It was fun. Until I think I accidentally hit my brother, and then it wasn't so fun. That is the second biggest basketball goal I've ever seen.
I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
Sorry, basketball hoop. Nice.
I feel like Cody and Ty get a lot of credit for doing the trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this.
My boy, you're gonna do that? You're gonna throw that and try to hit that with the pointy thing on there? Hell no! I once hit my maybe sister in the eye with like a pencil I'd sharpened out of a homemade bow. Never.
People are gonna like. They'll like the video.
She didn't go blind, but
I appreciate that, guys.
yeah.
We all do.
Yeah, I'll like it if you get, you know, like an eye injury. Oh, that hit you in the... Oh! I can feel it hitting me in the back of the neck right now. Oh!
I mean, come on. Calm down.
That's a real trust shot. Those are the foam ones I bought. Those are the ones I remember. We no longer have any wings.
Got our modified plane, a couple wing tip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel roll. This is the barrel roll.
Barrel roll. The barrel roll. I don't know why that's hard to say. Nice!
Amazing! Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory.
That little role play.
Deploy. Pull your chute.
Damn, that plane got hit hard.
That went a lot differently in our minds.
I can tell. That went horrific. Oh, that's what they wanted. I see.
He crashed. So much safer floating down in his parachute.
Yeah. Leave the dude on his parachute, bro.
This is the airplane boomerang. Yikes.
Airplane boomerang. Again, my boy, you get hit once with that, your eyeballs are gonna be plucked out. Oh, I can only imagine the pain. You throw that, and then you're just waiting for the balloon, you know, to be hit by the plane. Pop right in the neck. Oh, that got close too. Oh. Nice. I didn't even see her tackle that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Nice
here
pit
at
stage,
DP,
Cody.
just want to start referring to us
is rocket scientist because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles. Here we go!
That is some high-tech science right there.
Double bottle busting laser shot.
If they don't get somebody with those bottles, I'm gonna be upset.
Innovations that have never been seen before.
You know they have to hit someone over the head with those glass bottles. Sugar bottles? Whatever they're called.
The banking gonger.
I was wondering where it's going. The gong. That should be a rule at Dude Perfect headquarters. You're not allowed to get a snack unless you hit the gong with the plane. I don't know.
Twin spin. Here we go, Core.
Twin spin. I love these names. Nice.
Let's go.
That was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you, quick and fast, you call Dude Perfect Express.
Yeah, don't trust
National
Amazon.
Swisher. It's go time.
Prime's a rip-off. Again, that hoop is huge. Nice though, nice shot. Oh! I want to see the ball that goes with that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I love Dude Perfect. Sorry if I talked way too much, but I just love watching their videos. They're always creative, but again, especially the way YouTube is now, I don't know if they'll ever be able to do that, but I hope they go into another gun video. There's a couple of tricks I would have tried that would have been really dangerous, but I'm not gonna lie, those tack shots, those ones, whoa, I would not do that, especially the one where he's holding the balloon, throws it up and it's going around and then hits it, no. I can feel the tack hitting my neck right now, like there's no way, the suspense would kill me. Am I gonna be hit and start bleeding from the neck or not? Hope you guys enjoyed it, comment down below if you guys love Dude Perfect or not, because I do, and peace out.